Hey guys, I'm back out here again today. I was here a couple days ago for Halloween. Except there's no car in our driveway, we won't get a bunch of trick-or-treaters. So I came down here to the country, but I just want to show you what I did. I cleared this out. I have to go through it a lot more, but I at least trimmed it. And I haven't done this part during summer because there's a lot of snakes here, but thankfully they're hibernating now. And this is the edge that I've been working on. And so today, I want to take out the rest of this tree up here. So I was wondering where these weird trees that look dead, but those are the branches. So I got both my Husqvarnas out here. I miss using the gas-powered one. So I got to put my chaps on and get to work. I gotta clean up this mess, and we'll tackle the rest of that log. I have my gas-powered one right there, but being I'm at an angle, and I don't really trust this ground, I wanted to stick with this guy, so I don't have to worry in case I do lose my balance. What's nice about being up here? Cut. It's in the dirt. How I should do this next. So if I keep cutting at this end, that end will be heavier and it will fall down. So do I need to cut that end? I keep trying to pull it and I don't have the strength to pull it yet. It's still heavy. So I might have to do that end just so that it doesn't all fall down like the rest of it. So if I can get some good footwork where I feel safe, I'll try that end. Let's see if that works. Yeah. I'm going to try this end with the battery gun. Let's see how it does. Hopefully I got... I know it's still too heavy to pull. I'm gonna try another guy down here, so hopefully I can pull the rest of them up there. There won't be more weight hanging off. Oh, I didn't dig this part out. What the fuck? I need to get on that side. After this guy, I'm going back to the gas-powered one. This, I sharpened it, but it might need to be sharpened again. It just doesn't have the gusto that that guy did. And now that I used him today, I like that one. How heavy are you? Can I pick you up so I don't have to carry you up the hill? Not like. Hold on a couple. know if I need to go deeper. I can't see. So I'm gonna go back to the other guy and yeah. Let's try the other guy. Because these ones, I swear they're deep enough, but obviously they're not because they're still stuck. Oh, there's a branch right there. That might be why holding it in. Let's see what I can do. Okay, so that's not holding it in anymore. Just gotta go deeper. I don't want to hit dirt or rock, but we shall see. I think I'm hitting dirt. Might be when I need to sharpen it already. Oh, I heard crack. It looks split. Like I've cut into the dirt. So I'm wondering if there's a branch on the bottom side, probably, because it's cut. Let's check this guy. That guy's cut too. I'll show you guys. I don't have a light, so hopefully the camera will show it, but let's see. See? Like it's cut all the way down in there. See? Cut all the way down. And same with this guy. Like they're cut all the way. Hope the camera shows it, so this might be why it's not moving. I don't know why else this thing's not budging. But let me try cutting up higher and we'll find the issue. You see right here? Yeah. Yet, and it's just frustrating because I don't know how wide they are, and I still can't move this. It's too heavy. Guess I just got to keep on hacking at them. Ooh. Did I cut that far? Looks like it, but okay, that one's not cut far enough. Just gotta keep at it. Here's my back. This is the easiest part of the tree because the rest is down there and it's the big ends. But let's see if we can do it. I saw it move. All right, that's done, but now I still have more heavy down there. Ugh. Don't roll back. I'm gonna try down here so I can pull up maybe. That's where it's cut. That wasn't good. It's done. That one's done. I don't want to have to. Oh, fudge, this one's heavy. My gas powered one, I don't know if it's too hot, but it doesn't want to start right now, so I got to stick with this guy. And from trying to get those out and digging into the dirt, it needs to be sharpened, but it's daylight savings, so I'm fighting the Mother Nature. This guy's done. Yes, just got this one, then we're done. Can I pull this guy up? Nope. Is there a branch impaled? Probably. Oh yeah, there's a big branch on the bottom that's straight down, but at least got it away from the ground. Let's see if it's sharp enough to finish this. Smoking, I might need an oil for the day. I'm losing sunlight, and I'm gonna finish that board next, or that log next time I come back, because I don't want to work my chainsaw harder than I have to. But this is all opening up, and I'm loving it because now it feels more complete. That there's the road, and now we could see down. And so after I clear this section right down here, should be ready for the zip line. Because yeah, it's ready now, but the less obstacles the better, and I still have worrying about a well. And another reason is the county north of us, they've sold all their water rights, so people can no longer drill in Skagit County. And so if Snohomish County sells their water rights, I want to have a well. So yeah, you can't see the top part of the tree anymore. I just got to take this part, which maybe I'll do next time after I sharpen my chainsaw. And my brother should be back soon for hunting season. Maybe I'll let him tackle that. And then this happened. So I have another cluster. But yeah, I got a Widowmaker. And a hard hat wouldn't help me from that. So if you guys could help me about how I could safely cut that guy, I would appreciate it. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate you. Please click like or subscribe. I appreciate all of you that already have. Thanks again, guys.